It's leading me home. It's coming down, raining on me. It's leading me home. It's leading me home. It's coming down. It's leading me home. It's leading me home. It's coming down.
this is the first check-in of the day. Right now it is currently 1:12. This was as soon as I can make this update. Forgot my camera inside. Right now it is 1:12. This is what my face currently looks like. Right now I just have like a healthy dew to my skin. And this is what the foundation looks like. Right now I haven't touched my face. I haven't touched my face at all today, so this is what it's looking like. I'll do one last check-in around 5 o'clock. Right now, the only update is it has sunken into my smile line on the right side as my more pronounced smile line. I'm just going to touch up right here with my finger, nothing crazy. That's about it. I'm not going to touch it for the rest of the day. I might touch up the smile line with some L'Oreal powder. But besides that, it's looking good. It's feeling good. I don't feel it on my face. My face just looks very naturally hydrated. Hey guys, right now it is currently 5:03 p.m. and this is what my face is looking like now. Smile line wrinkles kind of always there in matte foundations for me. Even with dewy, it's just more maintainable. But my face literally looks the same as it did a couple hours ago. So right now it is currently almost 11 hours of wear, and this is what it's looking like right now. I am completely happy with this foundation. I prefer with the brush it comes with. I'm not sure how it works with other brushes, but the Hourglass brush or any dense brush, it works beautifully. This is a beautiful, natural, matte foundation. I really like how it looks. I really truly do not have any complaints. As I explained in a comment of another video of wearing this foundation, is that I had done my retinol and my skin was peeling crazily and it looked beautiful. If you enjoy these types of videos, subscribe for more.